Time of my life was tonight when I got in the back of the Cadillac. Oh my god. There's a party in the back of my dad's SUV. There's a party in the back of my dad's SUV. There's a hookah in the back of my dad's SUV. There's a hookah in the back of my dad's SUV. I just poured vodka and Gatorade into a bowl, and now my dog is out of control. I got mushrooms, Molly, X, and bro. Everybody knows it's about to go for show. Everybody knows it's about to go for show. Everybody, kick, hard. Oh my. Oh my car. Fuck you. Oh my. Fuck you. Drove my car. My girlfriend just dropped the Glock in the back of the spot. I'm in my dad's SUV. I'm in my dad's SUV. Fuck you if you're older than me. Fuck you if you're younger than me. I don't give a fuck about anybody, cause I'm 7th grade and I'm 15. I'm 15 and fuck you. 15 and fuck you. Fuck